Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix product not showing on Shopify. So this is going to be a very easy one, so I'll be showing you how to fix this. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to check the product itself. So let's go to the product section here. And what we want to do is we want to open the product that we are currently having problems for. So we have this sticker product here. So first thing we should be checking here is the status of the product. As you can see right now, if the status of the product is under drafts, then that product might not properly show on your shop. So make sure that it is actually set to save, and make sure to click on the save at the top right to save your changes. Now once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you've actually filled up all of the details that you see here. So for example, the description, make sure to enter that, and other information that is needed here. So we also have the product category as well as product type and the collections if you want to add your collections. Yeah, so as well you might want to actually add the availability and on hand of your product itself, just to make sure that this product will appear on your shop. So once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to check if that product will not appear in your shop. So let's just go here in our online store, and most probably our product should now show. As you can see right now, this is the product or sticker that we have on our products. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.